Today I want to show you something truly special under the microscope. This is a Spessartine garnet, a variety of garnet highly appreciated for its exceptional brilliance and vibrant mandarin orange color. Just 15 seconds in, I begin increasing the magnification, and suddenly we are greeted by this. Look at that, a perfect fingerprint. Not just the pattern, but even the outline looks exactly like a human fingerprint. These are called fingerprint inclusions. They are actually fluid inclusions that were trapped inside the gem during the very last stage of its formation deep in the earth. As I slowly increase the magnification, something magical happens. We are gently pulled into an incredibly detailed, almost surreal world. Every tiny line becomes sharper, every detail more alive. At 200 times magnification, it feels like we're floating through an alien landscape, a breathtaking masterpiece frozen in time inside this garnet. On the other side of the stone, we discover a completely different universe. As I move across the garnet, several new delicate fingerprints appear, even more refined than the first ones. Their patterns are incredibly fine, almost like delicate lace trapped inside the gem. But what really catches my eye are the beautiful, well-formed mineral crystals that accompany these fingerprints. These crystals have incredibly sharp and clean angular shapes with perfectly defined faces. They sparkle and flash so brilliantly against the background, creating a stunning contrast with the warm mandarin color of the Spessartine garnet. These crystals are true miracles of nature, tiny mineral treasures that got trapped inside this garnet millions of years ago during its formation. Every single one of them is perfectly preserved, like little time capsules from the Earth's ancient past. Another beautiful crystal appears. Now let me show you an overall view of the gemstone. When you pull back, you can see how these beautiful inclusions are distributed throughout the entire stone. It's like nature scattered little treasures everywhere inside. Now I flip the garnet into a profile position, and from this angle, the fingerprint inclusions look completely different. They appear deeper, almost three-dimensional. The way the light travels through them from this perspective gives them a fascinating, almost sculptural look. And wait a second, what is that? Looks like a random hair decided to photobomb our video. Either my cleaning wasn't perfect, or some mysterious hair just flew in from another galaxy to join the show. Sorry about that, folks. Even at 200 times magnification, dust and hair still find a way to steal the spotlight. If you enjoyed this microscopic journey, give this video a like and subscribe for more gemstone adventures.